Big boy Reliance came out with its Q3 results on Friday, and the numbers are in line with estimates. But there's more to that. Let me take it across to Somit and find out what the details and the lowdown for the numbers are. Somit?
Well, if you see compared to the street estimates, the revenue and net profit is pretty much in line, but the big beat for Reliance Industries has come in on the EBITDA front. Now, street was expecting the EBITDA number to be close to 33,700 crore rupees, but the company has reported an EBITDA of close to 35,247 crore rupees. So this big beat has naturally come in from the O2C segment, because there the number has grown around 16% on a sequential basis, and the O2C segment's EBITDA is close to 13,900 crore rupees. Now, this is on the back of the fact that in the third quarter of FY23, the export tax was removed from SEZ, that is a special economic zone where Reliance Industries has one of its refinery unit, and also on a relative basis, if you see, the impact of windfall tax was lower in the third quarter of FY23. Now, moving on to the other segment, that is the retail segment, the performance is pretty much in line with what the street was expecting. Retail EBITDA is higher by around 7%, and that is what the street was expecting. And the biggest growth, or the sequential growth, has come in from the oil and gas exploration segment, and that is purely on the back of higher production and higher gas prices in the third quarter. We have seen a sequential growth of close to 22% when it comes to the gas exploration business. And lastly, when it comes to Geo numbers, we have seen a marginal miss coming in on the EBITDA front, and that is because the ARPU number for Reliance Geo has also come in slightly below than what the street was expecting. Street was expecting the ARPU number to be close to 179.6, but the company has reported an ARPU of 178 rupees per user per month. Now, to sum it up the result, the O2C segment was a beat. Retail, oil and gas exploration was in line with the street estimates. Geo was a marginal miss, but the overall numbers on the EBITDA front looks a good 5% beat compared to what the street was expecting.
Okay, so watch out for Reliance Industries at opening bell. We've had enough time to analyze the numbers, digest it. Thanks a lot, Samit, for that. Let's